say yawene alaji guruza na say go na yefefe and you know at the end of the day Sietima carry 3 points. That's the most important thing. And that's the most important thing. Okay. Now, Emra, then in a mountain said, my friend is Sedina, Tamaklo, Antonio, Antionu. They didn't them so young Antonio. Spainer. Mamma no and I'm saying Mamma no house arrest. That or fear because he has in a health condition yet. In fact, people were very agitated. People were furious about such statements that a buyer. Felix of Osoka Achene Kasama Abayno. Babontia Baba Kasa no krebi anim. Maame a friend Sedina Tamaklu. Say maame no edem, maame no prison ankasa. Enti the way people are saying say maame no ewo house arrest no it's not true. It's not true. Enti the truth of the matter is say Mame said in Atamaklo, a free mra o see airport. Na process na shasye. Come Ghana prison service. That was a process na shasye. Omni free wa no omni call a prison. Until when ya kwan enya so kofeni e kache, oh, ya man house arrest. Nyame was so ye nyina process have to was so pass it through nyina or pass it through you no. Na afedie prison and also ko enti nya no kre se ebia ma me ne defie on se enchai na school for nkwada ni bi so attack boko teacher bi ho Ghana Education Service for the Krataba and I say Ghana Education Service for also say take action on that, on the attack of a teacher ni now omo assaulting ewo and omo attacking no ewo boko no ya de omo ntra ho sa omo ntra ho sa se omo ye nhwehan na ebia baby say yakwa kopi still yera kind of ori ata enkomo nda so ewo monten ewo abonten a ero so eba na Sam George na abena nso say minim say on APR ma yellow for ne dia bena nso say no there will be a major reduction in fiber broadband prices. So I was asking myself, hey, yeah, go APR works in it. Why do you? Hey, hey, I go away. I go away. Hey, be feeling dead. Oh, yeah, your punk chromadi abase indeed. Any say abide by the omuka so be no omu ye. So be reduce ministers, but no cre woman say omu expand diplomatic payroll. To all draws a chum can, though the numbers are few, but don't share. Said ye, Omusi a woman and any sky ye trianing for ye trium car, a cosro. That a pair no say at Nasino. Ye bedi no so home come a wolf, ya, why marching?
Obeni me Joso.
And Pomboko, dear.
Obadi, Ada Roma, BBI fine. Akadi nipa be dia bo nipa. Nipa jo na nso e.
So na kan drive say obadi adum. Akadi nipa be ya bo nipa. Okay. Okay. Matias.
Hey. Nyame be bo nipa kura wo na nipa so ne bo nipa.
Oh, anu die. Anu die.
Akadi nipa be.
Apart from those days didn't say Yakupon to Manano. A free room direct. They say there be
almost castle Namano we just to any
then new crack. It is said your uncle good news to you once.
No, sir, I'm for Ababe Cassation, no, their shows at
Kwame Chekash.
See that.
All the Ababe shows.
See that. Obeka will be a common. No, many public.
Benin baby, Nafi. Sure. I will be able to him. And they are very true. Very true. Okay. Well, I mean, there's this thing. Senate boss, I can name it. On say retirement age. I was saying, Pebia, Juma, which mean the Kobe or voluntary retirement. Then you shall say, Quaco, juicy and all that. Ojo lump sum, say, depending on a year. Now, or tier 2, tier 3. Okwajije tier na afei de ode kwa kwotene fie no so obedi di ho kakra and now they are saying so kebeya ka 7 years expanding and I extending by 7 years. Now people are saying say you may grow moment or grow munya binya no be call retirement afei na no so ye baba say that for 7 years a bit delay opportunities because there are a lot of people ye produce or make more I mean no kwasem pa ni say omu nye opportunity obu obeni nemua na afi akwanya emma odi atukwan bebre na atukwan because of that thing. It is a better party. Why not send ye nya abotre na nke de we ko na ebi ma ba jabi wu jabi tiase, then there will be a replacement at least anya hwe no omo ba no benya experience anso so e wo ho no Kwame.
Sure. Obeni ma menda si anopai na first of all, young fast that my TF4 ne yahwefo omo join here 93.1 yeni so and I feel so Facebook and YouTube and so ya do massive. Now if you penny me for congratulations for the Ghana Black Stars. And nya bia ready about what news and feedback and reactions na social media now to me say yes. Omo bremu
papa
omo bremu
enyasem kito
omo bremu but alaji groups abezi go ni efefe ti wo bobo ni nyina wo tikitaka ni na pepa na wie ni e hyewa obedi angosi ame
fa so bia ni so
at the end of the day win na ni e hwehwe
3 points na ni
e hwehwe but I Jose Ghana it will be for Musa kopim last minute Azana Zencheni AC. And I've heard there are a lot of players on the field of play, no more day. To me, the coach should be bold. Ebia now or tactical aspect, Ebia or they deploy Nipano on the field. But said the Encomosi Kono, Ebiba Muni, who senses I buy.
Okay.
The Omumi, a defining team, ye nimse tactics, I muni na yen concobo. Opening, my pension funds and semi. Pensioners are talking about extension, and I say an extension of a year and pension for more than 60 years. So, my pension coso because of Kwame. First, the decline because of your bad system. I work kluma. The system na enya papa. Na your system na any that's what the man mabunu. Any that's what the man kokrafo enunti ena sankomoy ashasi boba. It is because your system no like be any more say we free say now your babu na say na system no any ubedi na o ya kokran so system no so say any ubedi na ko bia we di 60 years kwa me yenka no kure pa say ye memu ha we why na mpe ahomeji a asumdie any sika say wom why na mpe obeni pa say nka de be che no pa ye metena ha sei na mom ya benya okakra obi a obedi ebia de o de be ye onoma de betwa ho obeni why na mpe but it is because that these pensioners they know very well and we know very well say so omo kofia omo retire no omo kofia treatment aye de mom ne abraba omo famu no ensem fata na nya fenti ene ye ka wi na nko obi a wa nyine aduru 60 years o sa person wo ye adwuma gidi den ansa no wadidi no wako retirement time be no wako enjoy life wako enjoy the fruit of the labor no time be biem obeni and I person who abra almost several or minor na assessing. It is all because of the bad system where you work. And it is all because you Senate and penny for one more moving penny for isika so tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, and then so for the year with the more after the life they give to these people, no, and you're poor. It is not well planned. And I remember the last time we resist our concern, he said, at least in Kadia, JJ Flow, opening the investment too. The investment, as net investment, a whole P.
Yeah.
It is high investment, you know. Yen to me, Nkase, and you matter for you a life that is worth it. Now, say investment, you know, so and you need investors or more snit to hold more. What na sika create say okay, ya the snit sika ko uraha. A befechi sika say, and ye yen say ye the first say, so that at the end of the year, biano we can get sikana back a son a yeke say near to me they are your pensioners yana.
Yeah.
It is all because we don't plan. It is all because we don't think. And it is all because we don't put things in place about providing a very nice living for these pensioners. The last time because I know you feeded them yechino. Near Dinkomo, Brunibia, or corner retirement, Nani Sika, Nani the so they tour the world. Or Koha, because what we was so a day, why enjoy? Obia back or 60 years, Minu, Yanim Sems will be this 60 years, opening. Toda Nantia cra edding. Toda say Obenya right mental state cra edding. And Nuntina no, be back retirement 60. No, I security, oh baby. Was several of mine, no. Was several of mine now, or ye product of snit. But then nam says snit, bra, woman demand and so I didn't know Guasientino, or quack security, oh baby, or quack with taxi, or quack with you. And yes, a be a nippon in a pool, but because a life after pension, life after retirement. Let me use it that way. Life after retirement, it is nothing to write home about. It is nothing. A shame na AFA. A bad system near. The system near very, very porous, very, very bad. We don't plan for this retirees, and we don't have any plan. Measure be a good crime where you back I didn't fast for the brain as well, man.
Yeah.
Today be a senate for boy car. And until a snit a investment, snit our hotels, snit our near my hoodwa a boyenka. Nankame party and ka womo wasn't come investment a fetchy sikanka ne ye beka say wo investment e gina wo mo nan so gidigidi pa should be snit. Ka was a snit because Kwame, just look at the end of every month what they take from every Ghanaian worker, being it private or public worker. Look at what they take from them. And a mandatory say more say Ghana ni bia wo ye adwuma bia ye tua ne ka no ye tua ne snit de ma no ye require ben na snit for ye efa so a massa ne ma ye effective so almost say e bia wo mo revenue mo generate kra and get stronger. They have the mandate and the power to make sure say ye tua obi snit ye tua. They can take any organization to court based on that. What are they doing? They are doing absolutely nothing. At the end of the month, only penny movie bedding como or catcher say me pension nkwa misika a yas native for tikra a bit to me case a brute 2,000 obeni individual. It is a onya individuals or memuha or memuha. To meet you, maybe I want over 1,000 now to you 2,000. Now, Nipa don't cry at 2,000. Minimum the salary range will be drew, and we have people above him. One more so almost this salary channel. It means almost one send it to Mutiana, I can see a channel. And sana, what by ye mubinum so near or more to aswa, you bet it your boy, your baby, I bet you will be 50, 100, 200 at the end of the month. And at the end of the month, see a case accumulative sika sonate for Anya. Sika wo mo anya da ho se de ko to bank de ko investment openi enye sika kuma enye sika kuma anke wo se etumi yield resource anke wo se snit kura no etumi operate organize etititi nyuma hodoa private nyuma gina yie na yeye. But here we are. And shame on Senator and shame on your system, no? Because we be anywhere go akwemu. And we be kumu krano be call retirement. Stress will be from openi and sana what is due him or her. Then saka na stress ketwa. Sa krano feni eba be ye match pass konebra kofa webra as if say na all contributing na mu ni details. As if say no all contribute no na mu ni persuni ni paban a woye. Anti wasn't go buy ya the idea here na Ghana card. Which if you pin in you the details and the mahu, but the bit to me I for corner bra. I don't think this uncle Moidiaba. We are not serious as a nation. And Debia make say it is because we are not thinking. I will not say we are not thinking right. It is because we are not thinking. Because the moment you will think, at least Bibi Baba, no try, no consult it. Nothing will go and no movie. But it is because we are not thinking. We are not thinking as a country. We are not thinking as a nation. We are not thinking as if we are doing something better for Timemufo. For woman now, woman dies in it. Akwa yese uko a teacher for ya ekuyo mo join. Uko nurse for ya ekuyo mo join. Woman titi o mutika she ni woman ya de mom. And for so be anywa association no woman members ni nya di free omo ho. Sika no woman tete enu no omu hia. No maji bibie ni wo mo di yenso e beka se so abamfa so se teacher ni a wa join association we nurse ni a wo join association we musika na ye de akwakoye we nti ye hu say at the end of the year sika we say any investment aba because you are shareholders ti ye mam we to feel say ampa your contribution no enye kwa your contribution no enshingu nti o de teacher ni join agrat or sign 2 years net but still obeko pension ho kire no nurse ni join omo association or sign so 8 years net but still obeko pension ho kire no enu ntia nka the age of 60 you obeni kofie na ko enjoy wusika nka ne wom wa bobra awie kofie ko enjoy wusika nka ne wom. But because we have a failed system, we have an unplanned system, we have a very egregious system, and we have leaders they are not ready to make changes, to effect changes in any way. I bet you sampa womu to anamobia enuntia bibie ni hobiem enuntia because our conversation you ni nko say ba on some better 7 years na the oba no ye babunu na oba no da be na oba benya experience. And then so near Baby Fair, you might even a buy Juma Krana. Yes, oh, they will CV bar. You should be 2 years or 3 years. You should have experience on that field, on that sector. Into one certain of you saying, Obia UNSN or Tifia 4, 5, 6 years. Or could you experience no way? Or could you experience no? I want here. This conversation party to me, dear Obeni, mean to me, yin to say Yanasa. Because in Penufono, almost call retirement or my bread. Yam pebra, papa be more, no munko dio money will fear. Nam mabun so mobile yam for moon rum. Because opinion, or ye babuno, a hona cafrache. Mr. Rebecca, a hona opinion, or ye adventurous. Not try to explore, or try to know, or try to research, or try to understand, or try to reason. Sabre no so na they can face all difficulties and challenges because of a babuno. Sabre no na or tax ahead of him say me failure me dachi enko ye mame. So let me put things in place ebeko yi. Openi empenifo yi bebre wo mu duru 16 na asefo openi onwoni say he or she has nothing to lose. He or she has nothing to lose. I thought that or could make a decision or could take a decision or could to an amo bicrana. I won't say after all the said Abia was so Gina and answer Gina Brand a ye name, sir. woman got na fie no woman find omo experience no enta mabunu na chi woman got na fie na mabunu no ye na pema then they will come in, they will teach them, they will direct them, say faha. We have to have these people behind us, backing the youth, advising the youth, pointing the right path to the youth. Not youth not faso rather than say a time I wasn't na adwene no or the body submission no nanka body ni rest no ye say you su body no e say you su adwene no ye be exhausting ni pa ntem I don't cry na dey omukon mu wo ntem no ye be exhausting ni pa ntem enti yesere I know there to me dear sa conversation no dear opinion I don't buy it thank you ye nyoma year ka this 60 years ka association a join it ka senate for tier 1 tier 2 tier 3 ka won say yes sika e betumi ahwew sika obetumi dia bobra na say senate for say sika no mo jeje no wo mutumi mfa nya bibi pa bi ade a ene kwa me wo mo foto ma obi a ye ti sika bi at the end of the month a ye mfa nkoto accounts mu ma senate for no nsom because sika no ko gu senate for accounts mu no mutumi mfa nya bibi papa ade a and yet, at the end of the month, Nana Kwame Nkwantabisa, I attend the Senate to say, it should be a saving for as soon as you are maintained near who's there, Usikane Kodaho, and Womau. Into Ube, one Kasa, you will be able to accept. And Nampo, ye Jumana, Ube said, then let me work hard so that my savings are a das Senate, no, a Becosro. They should begin to do that. It is year 200 Bosumia. Yen found towards 30 years now. Be ya Juma. Yen calculated 30 times 200. No, you see Canada call baby. Because that is what they are doing. Meanwhile, they invest these monies on Benya. And the investment no more no some faso maswana. And faso baswa how many this and faso. Sikana kohi. This conversation should not be encouraged. And tolerated.
I think, sir, in as much as the board and people are also expecting this conversation, sir, looking at the demographics, you know, Ade Akye Ghana say ye pa ne say tememfo ni bebre age a omudi nyini no e say kwanimu our life expectancy no ekwanimu say no according to research ni omo equally for 65-67 years no I was a Ghana for ni bebre tenase che the tobi obi o tenase 60 no kra no that so strong. A lot of knowledge also pass it on to the next generation. And why will you let the person go and stay home? Just as we said. So we will be no pass it to the next generation. And yes, 7 years never back home. Only akwadat 10-25 years. One pass it the next generation.
And then you are a failure.
A failure, yeah, because we pass it to the next generation. And yet, the best thing to be done, say, we cannot waste those minds. Kwame, they should form a consortium or a consultancy.
That's all.
Then we consult them.
That's all.
So I don't see. So I agree with the boss of Senate. Say, so we share, say, Abia, any pan kwa kotinefia a waste. Now I share other factors, no. They say okay, so old you 67 na. Kwame no kwasem pay woman say, and go for a benefit you Senate. Because Senate in the more now which woman, not the more you contribute to Senate. And they don't release money regular because of expansion of the date. But Akwadana on where we are school now. Sometimes you forget to say also the fresh ideas, creative ideas. It's happening here. Obeba no na senior man consult wo. O ka bibia wonti. Oba mu da be. Yenya no sa kwan wo ya so. Second ti wontimi kura ntwa okon, wontimi ntwa. Debi. Ohun ko ba bia. Kane who born dog say the microphone say ebesi TV so. But things have been dynamism in a lot of things are. You hear a lot of young brains are almost also be explore and Nema and the resource that is available to them. And to say, ye man kofo atena honum 67 years 65 years, all because of the so-called experience. And ye na backlog and kebenya was 7 years backlog of workers ni big one. Kwame, look at the unemployment rate at Ghana Statistical Service they buy. E mabuna e wofia yenye adwuma nyeye. A ye prisi ombenya adwuma ye. Show mo omko professional schools, me nurses and doctors no. A omukra denka kanene automatic. Uya obenya adwuma ye no. Na no kwabna minta kan do honorable ebeka che se. E kwan ya ye fa so admit nurses ni bebre na nye. Enti kebeye pa dia de Ghana was ye ne say. Yamfa quota system bimra say. Afi nyina ye fa nipa 500. Enti se 500 near wo about 44 and now 100 and something nursing school. Which private schools ye involve, government schools ye involve. Yen cheni say. Enti obia di say ne bede ebeba. Se be ya abaina ho den befa one obetima fa at a time. Then kwaya say always you get a backlog. Tio even with this. Now fe yaka say nurse say wo adwuma mu omuntira 67 years. 65 years. Already. What now you do mu babno munya ba bi nkoy. Yeah, they keep on more say omunsa extended. So to me it doesn't make sense. Kwame, Ebikra prefer say, Anka by 55, no more retirement.
Minimum be opening 45 or 45 years or retirement.
You see? You see?
Meneninya exchange.
You see?
45 years.
Retirement. Now, yeah, no. Nisambia you can't share your team from day one na armor many baby. Life begins at 40. Life begins at 40. 40 now wokan. Or only 20 years. So the bay Japan because of 60 years pension. And the Kwame not unnecessary pressure be abed then the and he also are corrupt because looking at the salary, the basic salary no, the net our the fee after say deduction of the taxes. Pressure about bedan so no say. Ebia one kwada mienu miensa bi a ohwe mu school o fia all tria utilities ensuo they say cry the bebre na abo sinti eya na ekania eno anso na de pompi nsuo iba and other maintenance obeye won fie bia ne ka baako ne yere de baako maintenance ombe o mo kwada ebia mu hwe mu secondary school ni university sa sikeye mu anon bi o mu de bo sisi bi ewo baabi ano mo peso mo de koto fie bi se be ya ne nkokura bre mo benya baabi ana kwa me wotete bosome sika light bill water bill kura free sika mi sisi
akase
hotel transport free akasika ne sei na wo ma mienu miensa a wo hwom also obo sisi kwa me within 20 years na mo kana enya kro no ne keta asehye ne bekoso bebiri enti we should psych our youth no na ya psyche ye mrante de mabawa ye ma obuba ne say obrane de it begins from day one.
Yes.
And you start planning.
O sha say so wutumi dwene no
eno ano no
o dia
wow na o planning things say ebeye bedru baabi no o ma metena fie bia me bo obeye because the moment akwa me obeye burden to your children no enkwada kakra bi na won kaye because that time no muso hunu say also me bibi show mu parents animunyam no mu show mu anso hu animunyam
ono so bo abusia
and that time no say sika kakra no obenya no or thinking of or not ne ma any ade ti da bia that time no say bia 7 preduasa and nani eja entimi anya bibi kakra kwa bebe feche omu mania na sa age na also mu tonura nru papa enura ne boarding ebi 800 ebi 1000 ebi 1002 aye tomu sa mere no o ma be yo na mepewe bi mpewe ni ade no kwa be they should be able to cater for them at the same time no omu tua omu ma hwe omu family enti edoso a na wan hwe ya wa nya nkwada omu so nyankopon ana omu ani wo fie no mo ntetie ya they will neglect their parents tire ya na nipa bebre obo nse ne maye adwuma wa ne ba but ne living no enko ye said the open there be we have to psych our children say it's not even about government work alone but sometimes enye ye nyina de betima ye entrepreneur akwa no be se onu ade nye nyina de betima ye entrepreneur
ni akono anu
bibi ye wo nipa bi wo say entrepreneurs na employ omu but Kwame o salary no sometimes especially wo private sector na o more money how adwuma ni mu tre no anye ye chow pay mu but government de ne de a pass through certain system labor for bebem fair wages commission bebem ministry of employment bebem and send they determine the percentage de beto so but private sector ni so nya ni papa da institution no e correct the more mu say omu ahye mu tre omu sika e kosoro no Kwame they give incentives they give bonuses to certain people and no eboa ma wutimi other project because no kwasem pa ne say se twa ka 50 million 5,000 e Ghana ha na unyansi fie na utua danka because e bia wa wo miensa o miensa wuntimi tena single room I'm not saying mo mutim no me bu o manim tia but they know say nya de o mu po mu hono no so kwa be wa akwado wo SS OJSS na odane papa ne maame nten enchen ya emre duru se adwuma koso kra na tisi atwa mankura nyina ada o ka se de o mu po mu hono no eye situation na amna basa circumstances bi na de o maba etisenkebe ye pa tu ayaka se obi a wawo miensa bi de ka wo chembe ho obi de ka wo yusu ana 2 bedroom bi chinking and hall no 2 bedroom bi de Kwame ka timi yusu what you say at least o de enyere so kra wo chembe ho Kwame Kroma check rent for a month na month bi ati through salary we are talking about chamber hall no you are talking about 900,000 to 2 bedroom no and so 1,000 2,000 1,000 3,000 depending on baby wo depending on a dining etibia when ya na bia for na 700 800 chamber hall no entity free mu a month or 5,000 nim because o man to wa say 2 years ne beso ansa no why wadwen say wo kwa akopesika kese bi wan hwe wunya you stress yourself and every month we add to 10 million kra to hodoma Kwame ka 4,000 to light bill to water bill to transportation free o hwe nkwada 3 sika na ka say na be chance so the property or the project enti ye nya no ntam say bi at your youthful age na on ware ye no be hye bibias because Kwame ware ya bed ne no so ana yo munya pressure o mu de go mu maso say ware ntem na ware ntem no me hu mass bi eye say ware ntem no na betima mu ahwe o man I disagree Kwame we are young na say bia wo 20s 25 26 28 my friend back na no ko ware 26 years come on but that stage you know obeka so ma woni ma obewom so opeso wo tere wonim o ye adwuma save bie me bada chi account me ensa tuankura ni nyina fees gum na invest interest beba so okwo kura brem kura na ho na nkura no sa time na bia nkura no university ebeti ba hwe mu a proper planning it's not about them na because o ware na nyame nhira beba so ana aware na nyoma enya no kure nyame nhira beba so I'm not saying say aware is the best aware ye but enya is the unnecessary pressure to mrantie no so no enya de pa ya the pressure to omuso sa Kwame afi obehu bema young guy ya no bright future afi wa yes you know usuro ha say baby for kwa master why so ha no namo because pressure ye dia man at the age of 27 28 time na ko ware do Rasi Yakobo Rawo.
Kafra.
Pressure the ama branch and so on ware at that age no.
A branch dey be o gbanyini omo ware.
Aware en ware by age.
That
because you play. A man cry dey hear me to mase because of ebia woman semne the Ghana and all that team to be ametiase kakra. But the money pe bia pressure so on ware.
But age didn't be a whole drawari. Age
didn't be a crash. Your far age be young worry. So,
Abraboro, I thought they be a who be there was not worry.
Kwame, and ya, Brabo who be an worry. No question me, woman say, having tear me or the old tear me and tear Jacob. Age be a worry. Or they're trying to move to the coffee on coach as Baby, I thought I wouldn't any stars or how I did that. Oh, what I'm saying is a American say, at least we say, foundation here. But I understand that that's unnecessary pressure and the young change. Unnecessary pressure. At the moment, and in Mabawa and Ibino. Massa, our dear takes a lot from the two individuals. And it's a journey. Kwame be womb. So if you are not ready mentally, if you are not ready, be more. Our dear no come on, we always happy. I don't think I will be worrying. At the chain no jai, ubi worry, but so me no jai, ubi worry. To see another jai and so on because they themselves. Mamincha James Hayford, I don't pay. Hayford, very good one. Yeah, James Hayford. Opening. If you are not ready, don't go in. If you are ready, then you can. Yeah, wow, the monopony and easy. And I know one thing I know. We catch you say me corporate be retreat what you mind. And no more single say ye nasefo. Until so for now, young worry. And I'm being a simple question. Though I wasn't satisfied with the answer. Me say at what point there was so banner be me draw worry. Open what the question is. At what point? Point our hair ready. That's all. Point our way ready. Why ready? Now if you say mentally, you financially, not mentally, financially you okay. Opening thought that financially you are ready, but mentally if you are not ready. And I'm saying it should be both. Yes. Ultimately, yes. Over to my was canning answer or the worry. Because media age in consider a new factor, young fan to change, but mentally. Because and no never got now at the end as you opening. And no could but they say, oh, what if you're fire? Kwame, media, you can disagree. Media came to be a fool. Say, gentlemen, worry. Why ready and financially, mentally, why you are ready? Oh, now why are they not the bottom munya? I don't know, Cranberry. I saw it be first now, Koshawa, them cry. Okay, I said there for no reason. She, I don't much chastise you, must so much. Oh, Betty, Beman or age, my baby. It is a new financial and give it media me banu and ye Beman or age, my dear, maybe Busas or Banus here, you might. Asa, that's all. Mentally, we can why ready. Financially, why ready? A cocoa. Media and American age, and ye be a movie pressure. Me now no American say be Kofobi Jamanusi Bonnie. Me digress a kakra. Me catch you, me say, or born ye jumen wari be da. Ba on ye jumen wari be da. Bema on ye jumen wari be da. Sanson or ba on ye jumen wari be da. Okay. Me can't catch you playing ye play for Kwame say nipa no ton so cry or kwan ho ye adwuma. Okay. So ton plantation so kwan ho ye adwuma. Now nipa ntifie de be wa hye ne nsate ho. Sika said na de be kofi obehye. Or the quiet day, or the bullion van crack, Mrs. Can Bessie. And so, no. Oboni Jetta, only anything about business and management, a Bessie. But at least, so did a crack to idea, who so focus and Panubio supermarket man or Beco and Nimu. O man Kotogo Togo or Beba. And TDA can in a pension once a year, the aqua could do. The question say, if you plan your life well, you will not struggle during your pension time. You want to retire? What crap is all retire? And tell now go enjoy our life. Because Abia, oya yang da o hye adwuma ase no wa save kakra go Kwame wakonyo oba bi ono so hard work wa ba be kan ho
returns no so encouraging
yes oba ne bo ha
enti wo be pese de bia wo be kwakwa adwuma na obi ye masai da bi
wa ba afemu ye bia poultry bi e bia online business bi e bia kan wa support Kwame mon samienu ba na eso ade ma ye ntam te baako tunya helpful woman na mo ya fe obedru ba bi no nkura no so mon kapo 106 ke ba no Kwame no so pese o 5 o pese o wu enum ensia de ya o papa wu nsia o ya o papa o ba kokko odua bi na odua ana se bi o papa irresponsible e tese o so be irresponsible
obeni we dia Mr. Obama we infam South Africa goalkeeper and say let's unite as a globe.
You knew be united.
United States politics, no politicians.
Kwame, your politician a palm gun and you. And your politician a palm gun and he.
Say Omo ye no, they are being fed and then motivated.
Pampo say one fias me cano.
Yes, sir. South Africa born special appeal for the first time. You have fire supporting how much?
South Africa.
Aye. Me not import myself.
Empowering.
They said the men encourage say the wine and whatsoever we produce no. Yenja in patronage. Yenja mom no moka. But for football there, Africa we kwani.
South Africa we so many Africans. Yes, if you have what South Africa,
Morocco, Africa, almost South Africa for Africa.
First, name say Northern Americans, Northern Africans, and behaving.
North Americans,
North Africans, name so muna behaving.
Almost South Africa for Africa.
Time cry. Few ones ne pet, omu ye nyina se ye you. Omu into omu tu kwa.
Senti do wan kasa kra ye pamo mu afro mkrum no.
There was uncle for so homo. You need to crack Kwame Nkrumah money in place.
Me, what do you miss, Mr. What do you born the support
Bobby?
And support someone there. Why more body?
Now, I have for do town, and I am a mean.
Hey, what do about
town?
Mate.
Kwame, very important. Very important. Say, if you are also plan your life well, and more beer na down. Wati? More beer nada.
I am for South Africa.
I don't pay. Oh dear, South Africa currency. Me kwa kotwa dear. Meant to ask them so. I don't pay what I didn't mean. Sham say African, we say African print. And I don't pay. Shall say dear baby that I did be and to my crown. I'll be here. We're seeing your man area na drew baby also or some funumu. Na enso na the best some funumu. Who here pa say or de comfort ebegum. Odi guma samfunumu ne hata chimu hata ema atade nani ye fe apart from say so ma ye move one bio ama atade nani ye fe aside atade nani be ye fe no ema atade mu ye hwam enti awofo ni nyina sese no ane ate oguso abatan fo ukọ ward no midwives no do mo recommend o pa ma o ye comfort egu nwoma mu ahwe now I show because a perfume now use perfume a comfort in a go atad ma why you san and a pair to work chain day and I don't know if I'm going to say na manager what I didn't so of mono and yet you and yet perfume a comfort and a go matadim and tiade na use washing machine so obet me so people say na washing machine for and no cry na broni ni sheda ye say what the powder ni guma baby ya kala hono color on also de after wash a friend comfort egum na be hu se ni watade ni be hwam anopa wo ho ye den ma onyo mani nte na ntade na ni munye ntade munye hwam comfort ana make comfort dia ma anopa RSYD no VG Studios I won crime malam biase first Kokoko Street o se men kan chow se ope se oye movie oye film production ana utwa skit ya abaso ibi ana oya sorry oya opeso podcast ana we streaming mo anniversary mo programs amoye na odi ebomodia na oni RSYD no VG Studios ininsa woso ade a maye da sonko ni say your cameras any da puzzles no tim say quality obo or camera but onim de obe handle aye settings no the camera ni kura ne kwa ye wo professional camera holders or videographers or almost set camera ana fe ubenyo obi obe set ba unyo obi a onim angles say ni take angles ye won kwofo a omye professionals omu gina baby angles no mu take all the shots otim say shot really camera anope RSYD Novigi Studios omu na etwa mfo nyina omu twa bibia ba ni aye fa aye succulent kama oh ho ye dey abra RSYD Novigi Studios RSYD Novigi Studios ton safra 057 471 5778 057 471 5778 ana 030 397 4822 030 397 4822 Eno Kwame Lumba kan sembi pawo Sompa common so in fact ne deep
yes
ne deep
Lumba nkasa we deep man pa
na of amono so submission no na kama
aish
then the superwoman
ne
Mrs.
na bro fudi no kwari say
why me mama
Mr. Champo
na ne dia kan na bro fudi ho
say no obo na bro fudi no
any one hwe ya 31 de Teresa Comfort Mary Mr. Champo be feeling it too
hey
oh yeah god
you didn't say no makuma sa no de why example ba me say ya ozuzu fa na ho example
mo on share experience
baby man just
ya baby ade o be share experience ya asem
o ze gara man say de akoyero o go share experience e betumi akofast asem ni aka kire o say
na no experience na no share na e very encouraging
sure
na no e guess SP
guess
e Mr. Japo mo e fine woman pa
o na wa ba bere wampo hwe
minya
ene maba wa bere wa ya
o peshi body
eke
minya ne maba bere ma she
o e ba mpenyimu mpo
Alex
ane
tete for me so mo dunamis na ntade na enyi o mu ntira o
masa
me se catch against bi se mo ka se ne ana mo woto ni sa she
sa tete no se nko mo hye mo niam yi bia
tete no ntade ne yo ka ba de se yo kambo say yes timi hia ma me bu timi se na ne maba bre me
serious pa o kan
ni
age announce
the head is ba no I guess SP party o timi se
na duom
na me no first class se ni kuna ni gine o ni kuna ni Mr. Champo ni all right I go about Mr. no pe ne capsules na me come for the amount oti wo ye de be ma de mo ada bridge erectile misfunction impotency bi na hawa eyetago herbal mixture and capsules adope wo atinka no wo form low libido oyo ba be ma na watinka wo form out wo ye de tago herbal mixture and capsules infections ahodo infection teteletele infection tetelesta wanhwe awawie be ma no mfro biem kopeta go herbal mixture be ma so infection oba no waha no because me man de ya na yenhun ntem ne ma de eche tim fa de nkoyo bi ba me so 0243228296 0243228296 eta go herbal mixture ne capsules anope the almighty sciatica expert a clinic on his own, a full clinic, a fully fledged clinic. To say you know, come. Anope 21st clinic and a sciatica expert. Osisi etwen wa akopem won ase a cho say ya de kase bi bebubu agu dem na wan hwe ade beto no enti ade na won so anu ntemansa na yade na nkasa twenity ye ne koyhwehwe mu se sa ade we se nerves ne twetwe yesa ene ye sciatica no okay ene de ne kwan be ne befa so ane ye nhwehwe mu ye research sa at our research center ho ane de enuro baaye ane hu se enuro no nkwa anye enough afa ye o se ye physiotherapist na physiotherapist ne so yempem fidie nka ho abefo kwan so tim fidie ne ye ho adwuma no na physiotherapist na begino de nsa ye de wo so ye bia na wei uwi asa mu adura ka ho de na chese sciatica betimi abozu dwe Ghana hadie sciatica Africa obua 21st clinic omuhwe yade bia diabetes hypertension stroke bibia na so sciatica ne de emfamfo mu mfichiri 21st clinic your laboratory service on tinya so buy na etwa na ye ma unuro lab no hoduma ye biochemist for hoduma omu behwehwe mogya mu reach mu behwehwe mogya mu kama clutching e dia maw ehun se we na ha we na ese afa bi won so a enya lab o se twa scan there was scan for sonographers for ho a omu so be twa scan kama na afa baby ade ni hye bia ya kire me de ho adura maw machine treatment on any treatment so massage papa bia de ma no pay 15 branches over 15 branches Ghana hanyina for numbers baby be oni amo aba 0540311311 0540311311 0249311311 call center near activated 24-hour economy 24 hour a day ofro mu a team ni ho alpe manager dan no team ni na mencha mo omo be fa no macho baby be on na wako eye 21st clinic Kumasi ya wehwan overseas Sompa FM Sompa TV osro ano mo form ye ne anuan ma fa radio na e ben so obo ase cancel quarters court junction ho na be Accra ya Tantra Hill Sunyani teaching hospital ho na be hu nkransa ye bohopoti sanso na techimai ye wo GN bank dan dada anim anope bomodin ni twipen na utwibenya ye so ya boa manyoma akoso eye Roman father ne drono Father Martin said by Mr. Roman father ne drono ano na be come for their money no pay hwe obu on man na say tititi the 90 me tititi no the 9 pempem wa di ba be yo stroke ana achew ohonam timi yo ya tum so hu tutu eto bi so ohonam yo but as why mere why better ohia eye body pains ne how dey Roman father ne drono Father Martin said by Mr. Pressure ne how diabetes ne how yade aya kwankura edu dem edu nya mesrawa wonya Roman father ne duro no manyakopon kwan no mram na bo say yes ye waduro hodum na nioma enso beko ya na mbusa mo say eduro a wonom nya eduro bejo atrema e Roman father ne duro no na uma na ye hye anko no nko be hye na tade no Roman father ne duro no ana no pe me kan for dia ma e 0247 919 122 0247919122 0552668517 Roman father drone dry store pharmacy shop herbal shop bia benyabi me musa say enu ana wo show me say think ye share yanka abehye yo da bi me kan ne ka abehye ti ani je mudum na wo no OCP Ghana Limited say season na dro so akuafue won free yemra Assemble na ho no pay OCP fertilizer na best farmer biaji atum ye de land no ama land na nya na ho den se de Nyankopon ye na afei asunno baye no doso e de amaw so chene so se enuaba no ba no untwamu ma hu se haye green haye yellow ni titru tomatoes ni nya adoa ne de keka ho e bat because e fertilizer ana adebo NPK 15 no NPK 15 no eyema emomudua no baye no vegetables atosode nyaado ntos moko jeni ne de akeka ho no muhia OCP 15 ana say OCP 10 vegetables cereals to say ammonia aburo muhia OCP 15 ana OCP 10 afemu amudua legumes no mo yaya mo de ama mo muhia OCP TSP ana muhia anopay oto ho ye de ko ne kope odie na onso wafuo no en afei de onso cash out kakra no abre what is suhan sa su nyamfa so bia mesrewa anopay fertilizer aye papa ne fa bo umfuo no na enema nyina ensi enko yeman. But there's something that is going on now. No question me woman say. Abena me hwe ensem na konfa no chide no. Na ensem a efifi ho ba no. A investigation na multimedia fotimi mu ye abat. Ensem ho pa. Na ebenya aboche na no ya hyeda adosom ti eno ebewewem kakra bi na yanso ye mai tim no ewuram ye niema wase se de munim ne na yɛntena uma enye saa kwa yɛbɛhwehwɛ mtie gu so anɔpɛ team no ate awuram a bɔ adwuma wɔ mu wadre ano nso so ɛwɔ hɔ na comrade uma atena se anɔpɛ wahyɛ ne Ghana jersey kama anɔpɛ asoasefoɔ nyinaa wɔmfiri yie ma no Uma Harris atena se anɔpɛ enso ɛwɔ hɔ Oya youth activist Sansan Adru Ashanti Regional Camp Communication Team man the National Democratic Congress NDC and so home. So Asana Kennedy Minta. Hey, and then matumpa o. And now I'm share media. Kennedy Minta, Dodo na friend Nana Ken. A man they can Nana Ken. Ha, never manaka Nana Ken. Ti anope onuso age number the New Patriotic Party MPP. Na omuwa ye fe hey mwa ye vo ha ya munka munia hey da mo dia Ghana jesi bi dia Ghana tade da dia ji afa bom na Ghana jesi o hey me so o de twitwo mu ma me wa twitwo mu na awia no de asende o wa ya fa ne sei me wi ana kam de makotena ba bi na mo de fine because mo ya fe ara fa ye be ni kobo ya be hwe retirement age ascend boss dia ba se emboa a lot of youth enya adwuma enye afei ye be ko Bank of Ghana and so say Oma converted rural banks and eco community banks under the sector reform. Of Farachi Dynamics still you go so airy shame nyoma ba kumunu. Tien tim be ti a bedroom kakra and so extradition issues on Ken and Mami Tamaklu. Nimunu kwachi fellows of Kwacha because on Babekase. Mami house arrest be or them. Or prison and Cassenti Ghana for Nyaisa, I can send him Pomunye, and then ye not confirm not Chidiano, and yen shed them room because ye betting home in India. May and I hope say Mobile agree with me. And so, yeah. Oh, man, up my chair.
Alhamdulillah, Allah da romanti ahoye.
What's up here?
Na Ghana so ayede kama. Because you say ni jiwi oh my mu acha papa. Because Osha for the past 8 years, yeah, bring back the love, the mantra, slogan, nina ba and so ankusiaga. But I know Osha, Obieni who will catch you be say on Sambe do mino. Obieni who will catch you be say Rambe support Ghana. But naturally, Senyama kuyi when Ghanaians are happier, you don't tell them what to do. Exactly. So we a loud statement in a Ghana for it. Because anyone I mean I'm quite swinging on mame for Akrachifo, why OBR representing Ghana and all the studios I know I'm going now. Say the no Amusumoyen Wahana, I mean follow Ewo Upiso, Massa, IFA. I feel Matias say you can't take Ghanaians for granted. Yeah, exactly. You can't take Ghana because say Ghana for a bufu abina, abini be bia nyanefe. Yeah, be bia nyanefe. But say abino ehu Ghana for mabo. No nya tima Emma Ghana for no so Ghana for Asia. Abani ya dia Ghana for edi omu sunsun ni omu tumi ni omu mpaebo tais abani chi nti His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ni NDC abani nyankopon eni edini yi ba yeso ye bekoso ye ma de esiwe enye ema yetimu nya ede ye be ye dwumaden se dia ba Ghana ni bia ho behin ha no se dia be ya ba bia obeko bia no obitimi de o se si ubu akasa ni o man ba Ghana ni na me. So it's a plus, and I mean you are not so wife. Because I know I call most of the studios now. Among crop for now, mobile ning na o man Shagana tadie. Oh really? Me I mean you can Kojo Abubadan. I mean no share. And no about share motiko. Na me the gunu so a studio no one or koto Jesse. Oh share. And I'm so why are there? Now I know as I share Parliament crazy ya. I think your mark is mungina shady. I didn't know say banasa. But almost so than propagating. Oh man, shady na Italian shady na fair. No, as long as a parliament here photo shoot. Most of the MPs do no match na fair. But Patriot there, Minia Kennedy watches on the where they are Ghana no one. Even though just that and Chibia me so be make public announcement says he said there why tuba wabe join here and come now ana power ma menchia wankasa ni edwuma pa wodi and in studios na menchia Aswase constituency ni titu ni member of parliament and me MC honorable Ben Abdallah Alasan and Alhaji Mustafa one any protocol officer I was also able to contest as the chairman for Aswase constituency say akwenya ne ba now my idea say ani pa mienu trinity we my idea man I fedodo never in the history of Aswase constituency you who say enra as at 11 p.m. and yebobo for the first time what guys say within the space of just 15 months we yenya astrotefs ne back 5 3 are fully operational abu model B abu Highlanders and Akrim Ningina fully operational. Now mo mount giant screen and run. Internet run just a be de. Yingina ko board dump him ehwe. Intino is a plus. Na me nchia menua wo ye de ne ba Ashanti regional organizer. I friend Richmond or say adudo na friend Ostrich. Wa bone homodin ye feel say the juma ne hye nsa obeye juma no ama na ye fe. Na ye me de kogu no so na me de nchia kese de ama okumkom na say em say oba in the media for some backlash there onim hu hwe because as the MC for Nwabijano the fact say Afari military hospital no ever within his municipality and in just say he has total control over it because Afari military hospital no the protocols and the administrative processes of that hospital no it is in the hands of the Ghana military protocols. And you are not crying against or bibia. I also seek consent from the military hierarchy before we team akoye. And you know, honorable, sans and sending in ano, in him say, or makan keke, or munim na facha, or mamuka setiao, so now ye bibio now yes, so now prevent no, me a show so munim na fachomo, what the cha fashion chair. Now, they made it mamincha, minia baby rahma. Born home the young girl why na dreams on the entrepreneurship and or the be juma now no na me bribe be event bi na meto frɛ no or buy or be decoration come or quiet frɛ no luxury event center or be decoration ma bibia come intimation no in crime so on course wa say ye nuano mo ma no e be trade that line no mo so why ejuma no mo dey support o mo ho a e be bo mo intimation na pa we me cha. Thank you.
Ken Machen
Jamini
na empom te say
radiadum na also who know to say
radiadum no ya pa
the radius for once make us a minia Omar made a call a share platforms be bring now NDC communicator you din combat no penka I want to who some share last stages. Oh yes, because football and a car or mining in our boom no question devoid of politics. Yeah, and when we try to say politics be share the numerous supporters started away. I didn't make us ocean submission is beautiful. But I mean, when they now or mine no Harris. I've been a sports journalist for decades, and you're not quite blasted to quite be brave before say you zoom away. Yeah, you cut that or mine 90J pa blaster GC in the history. Ya turn kesi amount for Ashen kesi pie or Safuma for time 2006 World Cup. But in any case, trust them. You're more bright and about so I must say next time my own for politics in shame or the shema. No, my yes, sir. Won't you chrome hand my penika say they'll blaster, they'll build around homegrown players. Or more, but apart from Benjamin Asare or no Kranya Miadum. I say, yeah, you should say, because Wadun Bonnie say reserve player. I'm not saying so. Adwin Bonnie, Nyamiadum, Debbie. That would be no pay a chance. I mean, your man, I take it at tangent. Hammy. And I said, me say, Grandma would dear son can maybe come from the camera. I saw, yeah, now bones are free. Now, I credit in his head. That is what you see. Oh, I did why my mom found politics in yet. Ghana, you see, there is our support in intimate. There is one thing. I can't now boom as of my development of politics. Football. Oh yes, because Enra say pa me go for me and hey. Enra me wana Korea small boy no afraid me. it was fun.
Nice,
but
nice.
I don't pay ya shall come and send baby 133. The 80% 133 no 24-hour economy alami Mavis Asibi is a when your presidential aid wo hono. Why you channel. That is what I was expecting you to talk about. Meaning utumoto so risky okoba ka kra mo bi onu begina kan 133 and now presidential staffer 24 hours mo say ye be ya adwuma na mo di sidwa eno na women's bank eno na ka be so kan ho asem na ye di anigi a in the Ghana boy watch last time
but why emotional betrayal power
ish
kwan fast what moto so na
that ye pokra na ye to fam no was me junction why you make kwcha la mi so that am so 133
wa vere guara
ah be so fast say man minimum men kan sa no pay me say my more blast out ba so na be sire oti be sire o man ye for support no enko sa na say o sha say no mine no unim there be am say kan my here sports journalist on say o ma football the team ma ware for me no kro ya kaka bom mama one scenario bi sorry na one na ira ya aka enti Asamoah go no
yeah
ye ni USA no wo sha no abam na ire no refika so na ira ya aka wo so me omo nka enti mesrew
me no bi ono so sa na ekoye jesi bi oye bibre na case
da enti football dey ya ye mi onu ye mfa ya manyo sem no enko so enti na ma na
medase na ye sha se with a year retirement age. Then as a Ghana retirement age is 60, and people are raising concerns. Experience a year no more bedi 16 year na Ghana say life expectancy no ekosro. And 60 years no more ding. Nipa no kotene fie kura ase adwene wo ho ne nso nyehwe no na ho sa tibeya 65 67 years yemfa 7 emeka ho senate boss akasa se omoni dey can affect you because the more people contribute the more no sky investment but ya dream backlog de beba ho youth a omunso nya opportunities a omu deserve ebi crossing kebe ya retirement age no kem kwa ntem looking at Ghana in living and our retirement age holistically or mine are we doing the right thing individuals so ye niema ebema ye ko ye retirement atimi aboa ma yetimi adan ho so ana Ken mami fanshase
Medase mention not addition to ahinesi ahina no pay say Radi Adman the 11th of January send year de be kano ye beba o munchen na o masre na o de communication officer mention of constituency ashe sanso na o to aba no ato aba ma all the mention of constituency executives current from chairman to the last person Nasara coordinator ntino mention of addition nyina ye chairman na no pay retirement age enka nana debiani agitate senka enko anim nanka at least naturally my year I've for 17 years before semi-genti I know how it works but the year enema mienu we na ye wom 90% of government workers no dodo na no eti omu fie so tinio enti onu once na pom no ayeden by retirement you kasa retirement na you should enjoy your benefits what retirement in temono eboa ema wonso nya pomuden ho dodo ema enya ho dodo kra ho to ema won say life no better but because of adwuma na enwo den ebi ni na over the years all political parties we've failed the ordinary Ghanaian you people are being forced on betu omumfie so I've been a teacher I know what goes and you know cause the transport sector I know these things it might interest you say so for game cry bitu omifie so yes so you ask yourself and your question now ubusa say because of ensheye pa me no anase yenyenguo for ye ahomegye mu ntira retirement age say mama for one New Zealand for plan here example there is one lady or shop Elizabeth Baba Auntie Baba or New Zealand you see almost structured to the extent say o koni nyina no snake at you know omo ka bibi omo friend no policy one that is almost snake retirement age it's such a way say wo kono omo they will be guiding you to be craft from say or snit no the next ebia ebeka 10 years and 15 years am wakwa scan say ne tie say ni pese ye enti say ne mfanye ma but there ha no system ye different wo dey answer wakwa pension na bosom so wakwaje life sums no oje life sums ni wi abosom nkakra no titimu saa enti at the end of it all no because of ahokyere ne ye mamu ayi no okọ pension kura no san per contract titi onyo okọ pension enyo no nko the previous government aye ema aban we kura the letter by say ma contract bia but ye hu de the experience no so wom no also count. You see abedwuma I such a way say the more u chem na unya experience enti kwan ben ye befa so a empanifo na kwa one o ma hu migye metima kwa hu migye na o ma pomuden asipi no metima nya kwan atenase enti ehia resource bia yakotape to in yen hyehyɛ eniema yen fa niema nwu akwan ma se ne be ya the youth younger age no betima tape a free old age nim no eno so yen gina sectors no eso enti it wouldn't be bad senka also initially I'm about 55 years but it's only the military nkwa now say 15 years I have the privilege so retire from there. You ask yourself say adentina yen hwe bibi na bia yen revisit age ni there I suggest say man because of yen me de mehu obi wo wa dodo na cosnate ejubo nso obi be film na okwabo se ni age no conflict I dey abem
but what come mama dwan kosi asem so pass che say ene na je de omo kan kra ne say Ghana your life expectancy ne kwan fa so live no say better not necessarily say better but say no sha because of Ghana card ne nyoma bi adwen sesaye no ese nkofo nche dan ti omum fie so bebre ti se kane no kane no bu okra wadi 40 or ura ban adwen 25
yes
say sa de na sa man for age
yes
it is not about say bi but yen fia ne ete so na adwen
exactly because of tikesi so da pa Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia inshallah 2028 Ghana card hon sensem say ne tie
okay. You have a point.
Medasi. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia inshallah Ghana for the Abemu Besha 2028 initiative obuama Ghana card be jinaye and akate nyema we nyina utinam si tikesi so da yepa because he said okay that is the answer meaning that was 2003 training college on say in term 2003 ye what training college the second year no more say you register your snit enti ekono what is bebre ye so masa me pay kwa pension akukudi misika o na me kra de chere me nche nti I just said it and I maintain my age but don't go now no ko eni nyina obi 5 obi 6 5 6 5 6 ejam so sa no etima ya ba adwuma cha am say how this thing doesn't make sense because what that your health it's not necessary say age no na live better but because of Ghana card none this time checks and balances about our digitization it will be very difficult and I also say ye meje ne man kakra I'm expecting say MPP time ye meje passport all most of the cards na me nyina one central database and SNET can use that now you know maybe they may come be see a kwanya ye befa so manage your retirement because obi ko ahomigiema uhu na nani agi obi ko ahomigiema uhu na oretimi ho saa so you ask yourself say yes a different job but the only no different job e dey sonko no ye ya entimi aboa ni nua na say the dey no sonko no ye ya aboa na nti entimi amane live long entimi dey retirement age no ka 55 no crowd yes from the bank me peno say ne be ya obenya kwa enjoy retirement and retirement you enjoy the labor of your sweat you enjoy your labor sweat of your labor but Ghana hano because of a jumani ni hono near in otimi tinema hwe me koye national service koye national service ache ahafo baby unia coordinating in pa or bapa steps cry obi be so mu na nefu as you imagine that start kind of 5 years I was a pension so you ask yourself so welcome and then work akoye and going forward no yen hwe yen strengthen ye niema na ye now fins one thing so say mabunu be pa adwuma ye ka say with 5 years 10 years experience no yen nyinu free ho
ongofa no
you want employed now where is he going to get that experience no
and you know issue with
yes the initial submission there me here no because because of my 3 dates of bed my call course you didn't ifro this same because yes net no and penifoni be crom more equal to your force about me. I told them I will not do that because me one adwuma me nchewum today no some sakoti me fie so but most of them no motis no okwa it affects them. Yeah. It and almost so they forgot say Ghana card name. Not the BBN was a BB Beba say. It's almost quiet baby Adrian day. So it to the Ghana card no a different from SNIT no. SNIT and social so automatically you see your age also. Or share SNIT card as well. You see your age, your date of birth, BBA also. The disparities no. But going forward, the best media come the maintaining 55, no, not even 60. Initially, all my proposal no say 55, so that the other 5 years you have access to enjoy your fruit of your labor.
People are also saying said they can experience it there. And then you find a way to use them as consultants.
It's not a bad idea. That was the best way, but I heard I say. I hope say on say over Swami interchange. When him said, I did more chair power lane of pipes. When him said the only person at that time no nakokra. In John Crown to the village, Uncle Father Brian, and he was able to come and study. Baby, away no ewo. And not an story. No can crana. Abba. And this kind of rich ideas no on Abia. Ya fano ya but Ghana hano. Politics no so say politics no say yeah. Et imagine since akokra we man who know and obe ready that topography of maps
pipes pass it on to the next generation.
The problem is me know next generation are we ready to tap into the rich ideas of Mpenifo we are now. Oh,
me go field na say so me the end they say ni na net ya.
You have a point here.
But the Americans say can no kwasem say. So wo bibia o de bema the next generation na akwada bia wo hwe wo sua wa. Should you go on retirement before you make a say farm na nefa say
answer na be come nya so me say one harmless question but most they out their own 10 years. Yeah. How many of us are ready to learn from the rich experience of
and we have a point benye nyina be
percentage
say one credit nyana senka credit wa edia you
okay me to
ye one akokra ya edia you
to form bubu
and no be papa be yo
and so here or you know so ta fa how say speedily now if you mutimi mount pillars na here nyina egugu you know we should but I still maintain SNIT age ni there your family 55 that's by 60 years no because the question what about 55 no your government workers say one SNIT na 100 your family 55 no na 85% atwamu ko be 70 plus
and he said your kind I think Ghana card from day one yeah why was a shot
sure
yeah fe na ambassador send all right me that say comrade Uma
ana go tell me that say na retirement age assembly said ya pension penny no ebe kan no I think it should be subject to serious national discourse because ewo the merit and ewo the demerit. I mean say o share me nuane kasa no I emphasize so much about the papa say in my mom proceed and I am man proceed at the age of 60
no crowd was 55
good but in other words no so o share ukro na utim no any the way a krono near maseko because I know share Ghana one of the major things are government come a static issue and unemployment.
Yeah,
one of the basic aban beba but unemployment remains a problem for Ghana. And yankasa yagia tum say your retirement age no 60. And today we have huge backlog of youth, many of them who are waiting for year bia nipa say and ebekwa retirement na akwenya abama yeso yae dey yenye nwuma akoye. And immediately say ye open a discussion say ye babe then ye babe peja and ye babe pushy retirement age beyond the 60 ako 65 years. Not just say oh babe relegated the youth to the background for another 5 years. Our more change say omo be den. Ejuma vacancies be ba no almost so many de oma kosho. Meanwhile within the 5 years every year so university graduate students. Every year, universities across the country graduating thousands of students, millions of students. And so Oshe sa in so we are. And my young I was saying, I careful. Beyond that, so juma biamwa even in the banking sector, young I go school ko so be why accounting my procurement. After say when you certificate now. Yes, what qualifies so bit me akọ enwuma no no. Okọ ejuma bia you something we call on job training. And on job training also e yo mo a omakot na ejuma mu a wo mo nye ejuma no mu experience na we so mo boa wo ba no se dia be ya wo so be ye de wo be nya ni ejuma no mu nimdie se dia be ya wo bit me aye ejuma no because enye certificate no nko na e di ejuma no all the certificate ne be ko but ejuma no ntumi nya this ya sa kire wo ejuma ne so. And ono sometimes ya na me war issue say
you learn on the
why don't we also have a system the profession na law yon call law school lawyer be a one di lawyer be a chiasua law no through apprenticeship no or also be a lawyer o nya certificate be anwa dia lawyer wo sua adwuma no direct be compare enra lawyers no lawyers no more experience be brave and beyond that during that time no na integrity no high. But then ya the paper no Arabic the apprenticeship system no. Na lawyer bi o wa ko school so wagina o represent you kra no wo court wa wani nyi de wo we. O feel say nanka wan kasa udi wa sem kran ko bitimi bibi. So I feel that our education system should also begin to look at how we can inculcate the on-job training no. Even at the institutional level, because this attachment I am a student in Koyano, Omokoto Wache, any Koko, national service, they are messengers. Make say 98% of these attachments, students and national service students are errand boys and girls. They don't get the opportunity to learn on the job. And even as a procurement student and as a finance student, say the whole core institution say, Kosunye Jumano, Obia Ohono. Why not Jane say, oh, but you are becoming a threat to him. And the Jumano crown your ding on Chrew. And the Jumano see an Chrewa unto me. Because many always saw a car, minim catchy, but what's not kind of the way I was saying, your man and your ma, I see, what are you to take your time before you be able to do it? My empha, a new host, embeds now console with or bebre. He will need to understand the system, fit in the system before the person can work well. We need to look at all these things critically. Yes, I bet two, you bet PGM now across 65 and as our life expectancy rate, In fact, a issue else and also, then you may come.
Okay.
What if you are say, oh, as I said, you wouldn't tell me, as I said, the generation I have in Chakra near woo. But so here data available from 1997 up to now, there be a marginal increase. Because in India, Eba and Ejekum Francis Munina or Mendi way, men you say, in Tiamafo, and then the implementation is yielding result. Osha year be or Obunzana life expectancy rate I increase by 39.1%. Sana Equanimu. Yanya year may share data no, ye chess okay, the life expectancy rate no, Eswati. They be as a echo because people are getting conscious of their health. And people are getting conscious of what they should do to protect their health. In Tiabua, Mama for living for a while. Currently. And I think this issue should be looked at well. Say there one kind. What say on the Mary said Nanka or no the Nanka too. Say pension, the Yan Abia 55, 65 nanas, even 67 now. And can advantage to the national pension scheme. Because the more Utiano, the more pension also any sika what the year investment. However, I was say yes, so we compare the way in the year hurt your mind. But I personally think say yes, na youth unemployment will continue to be a problem, or even will be worse a problem. Say yenyan baby I wanna. The only thing we should be particular about, oh, can I mean you ka Ghana card as say Ghana card am for into omo ages. One I got you. Even with the introduction of Ghana card, obi a what in the age no so. I know so many people who even have 2 birth certificates. Many women nim say man for be omo be 3 certificate. Birth certificate. Omo de omo di birthday. And omo de omo di ko pay adwuma. And omo de omo di kwan. That is the reality of Africa. And then I say in Biaba ama like nipamu dream, the scope of thinking of people have increased. Ebi mu say okay, say me ko tuma ebe du mre I was na nka me ko ahumje na me nya me benefit bi no because of say my age ne keto no ebe mama bre e o me mpeni mbre mu nti mintumi nyi ma home e na amanfo start. So most of the people who even increase their age on their passport and stuff today they are regretting. They are regretting. And politics, yeah, one of the things were high. About to be drew near mobilize nipa the 80 because of so old stage and intino. Now you mobilize almost say omonko voters ID card. Preko pe akwala 15 because of the stage. You're pushing them now 18. And it say what now this documentation. I mean voters ID card no. And no one source document. What the be nyama be brain. That's how age not transcend. Sir, into on one kasano, he's messed up already. So we should begin to look at the processes from the core of it.
Okay.
To address the challenge. And yes, I say about too much. Not just say youth are no mutinef backlog or nurses backlog. One backlog, teachers backlog. A major problem because they say youth be a be a chance be advertising. And more mutim that non kokra for no so or kwa ejumana dane dynasty. Ejumana dane family inheritance. Sasnate no all babe kono prepare no offer see be say or no the all kono the offer no eden or the jano. And you know, it's hard for you to see, say, even institutional advertising in the dailies. Institution be all crana. Until say advertising for job vacancy. That recently, I almost started. Recruitment into the various security service. What they say, almost say Navy is one of the institutions. Yanti say Navy recruitment. Oh my!
I think customs.
Customs.
I
don't know. Team no one pension. Ebi nye jumano. Na adenti na de biya yenye bisa o. Yemfa adwuma o hoda de bia kukuom aden finance ministry Bank of Ghana de bia o mo de obi anko pension o obi esunwu obi antu kwan yemfa obi akukwasi just because of some of these things enti esrom yema nioma enye very transparent na yen start say your document in the aya mana twema man for inflate o age no most of them have learned their bitter lessons. Okay. So going forward we should be able to scrutinize especially National Identification Authority, no, they should be doing due diligence because they say no share even ultimately the birth set call, then they are able to detect a birth set, no, a fake, and they will not do it for you. And I think it's a step in the right direction.
Mamenase, Brajman say, if you reduce your age, that's the end. Who suffers most? Question if you reduce your age, who suffers most? That's the end. Rajman, also here free South Africa. Rajman Opema, very good morning. Now, yeah, we show the very best and so on. Now, yeah, South Africa.
Are they playing about one? Yes, now when you see South Africa, yes,
South Africans all grata idea with the problem.
Yeah, and that's every more they are documented, but yes, still they were. I mean, and I want to
and Harris
argument in say if people say, oh, so within the black community now, I know what to but when you are within the white community, certain communities be money, but adia me who say, if you are targeted black communities near we are, they will start fishing out for our brothers who are not there.
Me say, yeah, in this case, yamba extradition, no, more anopay. They say, yeah, who can for reata dear baby a nam, and then mammy said nam so, and so dear bike because you mammy shed them on the hunt on tiapo. Ana yamano, what do you call it? Yamano say on shifie kakra, na any house arrest. Government saying no crabby. Now, I'm for baby. I say, what's the way forward for us? Ebra, Samri, said in Amabe. What happens to Kenu Furiata? Now, the two individuals, Ene Omunkomwe, Mamimra, Aye, Comrade Umazo, Aris.
And I'm going to be some medicine. in terms of MPP for can sep maame no yache no omunhu so the prison minimum bi a wase wako prison wa wako bisa say room number ben or that say room 1 block 1 oh onko hwe no ombe confirm munya nko ye nhwehwe mu bi anko confirm ye say aha na obe you are just congestion Ghana so say we your right to information or hananwa
yeah
and you know as members of parliament and even as an individual you can seek to know baby a washe nah you confirm. But mama yent anyway into this. I mean political football. No we but happy. As at now, maybe a MPP ni na me interested. Say me person me who no cry woman. Na me NGA be a government spokesperson in here. Emra no mama who can say I'll write to the appropriate quarters because the media is strong. Say me try na deny me access to getting the information I want. And no cry is topic I ever discuss here, which it will be an indictment on the government. So please. They should give us a break. You know the right and the appropriate channels to what to use. So they shouldn't be doing that. I strongly believe that Abano in himself Ghana for don't have time for gymnastics and then drama. So if she's not in a country and if she is not behind bars, no government will come and tell you she is. So sasem no yes romo. Omoma yemfa sasem no enkonkon ho na yenhu bibia ye movie akọ as oman. Na I'm going to be issue regarding
extradition
way. She said the action say on waba on the origin de anameboa says say the on the Indian aba na kenufuriata de na she say so abeye major problem I will say Ghana for yeshe because me believe say utrimu fanya unsuru ntiamu anasa no mukana say ntiamu anku ade ba ko amepese me nuanum MPP for etiase ne say so long as Ken Oforiata eye na adwen say oma na ye nti say MPP for emwa aban no ma ye nchike no Oforiata mba ana ma omma kuruma it continue to be an indictment on the political party MPP Ghana for you omun nibium the success or the victory of the MPP is tied towards bringing Ken Oforiata back home because said in a time ago so no NDC no most start in processes of prosecutorial processes no and mowie ya buy no ye nipa be ya anye kataso momaso ye attorney general and I started say wo ma mo update because na mo aban na enti update bia. But attorney general through the series ya oye and amokra mu hu say oh sana attorney general wo de otu anamo or my timelines are ma me ni bedua the timelines so sa pepe wono na start extradition process na ekopim tama ma me ye chi ne ba kuma ne 10 years a high court demand I know or serving Ken Oforiata de an abe grand scheme agenda to scheme the people of Ghana. Because Nana Nkwantabisa inu kurum ha ena Afenyo Markins the leader of minority honorable obeka try say by May 2025 na Ken Oforiata aba Ebra special prosecutor papa isu oma and or declared a fugitive of the law. The MPP were everywhere. They were attacking the special prosecutor. In fact, Ken Oforiata ebusuya for June. Say June, Ken Oforiata beba kruma na oje ayasa. June ye no we bibia doctors are declared no beba kruma na atenten na ide akoso. Obi anu a woka say Ken Oforiata boy kro no. Be susu say emra president Akufo-Addo e dey a public person no. E share nsa niam bia ankoye ya site SML deal niam bebre ankoye. Said you and Ghana finance ministers, former finance ministers yinya omo kruma. Honorable Onimunyam for Kwame for Wonti Kuruma.
Yeah.
Said you assembly bar as opening I want wakuta a person that what me de nanu what me de experience so e ka bibia boa. Said you yura setepe woni kuruma osafo mafo Wonti Kuruma. Na den na Ken Oforiata nko ade wo unya nwie adwuma no. Na wo de ho akobɔ adwa e wo English abuchima mu. Yese bra wasoma wi abra na be yi ho anu bebu akonta keke. Na papa yi edi agro na chese satam na nebusianfo ebeka chen say oh June obeba na yenya abotre sata na minority leader afenyo markets beka so papa no sune by media no papa na yede waba sana ni nyina no na they were buying time to work on the man to acquire his green card. Sana ni na a jailman tactics and omani Ghana for ye. They were buying time to ensure say papa no ebenya the green card not just asem no sune MPP have supported Ken Ofori-Atta to dodge accountability. Now didn't know Mampeni Akufo-Addo a wodi to me share nensa no on kan chen say Ken me na me ho aba so bra na be swan miti because ye ka Ken Ofori-Atta asem a ye ntimi nka Ken Ofori-Atta asem na yenyi president Akufo-Addo enfrim ene MPP aban no. At a certain point in time MPP for MPs eba bontin ebe ye oyekire they protested against Ken Ofori-Atta as a finance minister. Why? Because almost were incompetent woni mamambo or kan na Akufo-Addo aban ye troka MPP for. And I know right thinking MPP for I believe say Ken Ofori-Atta is becoming a historic shame to the party. So they support the idea say papa no ebe base dia beya ombetimi ide a wash MPP off the man's problem because until say Ken Ofori-Atta abaha abeginem eyi ne ho ano no bedi ni nyina eso MPP for and omo so na defend papa ye defend na ase wonye eboni bia omo anso na aboa na amana aye kataso mu omo sesa ekopem na wonya ne green card obi amu ane for bese ni timu fanya why is he evading ba me de ade ba kwa ye me de ne say the last time na me tie lawyer Edoji Tamaklo once a lawyer de eba no emran mu anadwuma bobeu what say eye MPP for any or more omo say Ken Ofori-Atta de na sam na kosi wa because of say wa acquire green card omo forget it and society case be United States of America na businessman be from Japan or no so public service ya na em say financial irregularities be by mu and o dwane and o ko share USA sa obeba wo mbasa na wa acquire ni green card and a Japan government no and a US government no at the peso. At the end of the day, the Supreme Court of the United States of America a passive ruling say the fact say what acquire green card in the United States of America does not automatically means that you cannot be extradited. Intino say and Ken Ofori-Atta Jane say green card no a shield for him to run away from accountability, for him to have caused all this mess allegedly without coming out to come and then clear his name because so Jania niema o ye nyina no e kire say kwa edu a ye di susu say ye de kwa edu a ye di abono no it's likely to be true because enya no kra why won't you come and face it wash your name protect the image of your family protect your image protect the image of the political party Etigana Frontiers say MPP for and Abua Ken Ofori-Atta ama ene nyina de ekoso nyina because lawyers they are not honest. They are not truthful. The lawyers hope they wrote a letter to the special prosecutor, giving the special prosecutor, I mean, directive, giving him assurance that Ken Ofori-Atta will be back, and they gave him date.
All right.
And all of that failed. Until the Americans say MPP shouldn't waste their time to campaign ever in any political election. They shouldn't wait because they presented Ken Ofori-Atta to us. Now Ken Ofori-Atta be someone person be bua konta, and it is alleged so we are Ghana sika, and they are protecting him. Yentimi insam fa kwanya bia mfa mom ndi o man so. No mon sabe Ken Ofori-Atta part 2 because they are a political party that does not believe in accountability, and Ghanaians will not entertain that.
But I say, Ken. Baba ko be ma ba ko ni nyina so ma
share free Ken Ofori-Atta de mi wi a ma ba said nam de ne so minia senior ade na NDC for enada ni atroyo mo desa I sometimes try to be calm but ye calm to say the ordinary Ghanaian in who NDC for no doesn't respect the Ghanaians. Young come renim. The act that established what say Ofori-Atta the young starting from Obabem. Mamu age jina ho. Edian say one can Ofori-Atta and no ba and no cha. After bedroom banter, they wanted to shift the blame to office special prosecutor. Young fan on Tunche. Debia the catch Ghana for say NDC propaganda and lies. They don't people. Ghana needs Ghana for one more. Mujina Swa, the court of public opinion, and I Euphoria Tabo Chrono, I am the same was smart or you sue allegedly. Sure. Euphoria Tabo, you state more mention some of the cases, Mose Waba. And the law stated clearly under the criminal and statutory provisions, a state Act 1960 as amended in 1966 Act 30 allows you to try somebody in absence. Someone himself for real table chrono said the makacha man for now. Said now Tamakro, try no Nikromau. It is someone who say for real table chrono. The act is there, 1960, who find it. I will try no. Try no. So someone spread the ordinary Ghanaian and for real table chrono, NYSA. 72 counter, Modia say, why any no. You can still go ahead and then the laws allows it. This is common sense. It's stipulated black and white. It did that more year and for real table chrono and we say a dear for real table mobile almost 16 months quite in Fiamia. I come a hammer part 1, the part 2, but almost 7 years. More prosecute MPP need by Paramamudu. I can give you names of NDC Fwa or mobile Bemuvia Bessica Pork on near the Tumu. Tachuchikata was number 1. Kwame Pepra was number also can be Victor Solomon, Abu Gapele, all these people they were jail. Ye jail on Ghanaian said they everywhere. FC Malam Isa or no cry there was clear. Ye do me nyina tumu e ma Ghanaians who say enkrofo we mo abokronam ye do matum. What is so strange? And then Oforiata is say Oforiata the ordinary Ghanaian ka say also Oforiata abokrono a Emrano ma ho kwan say uni ho kwan na said ye tamaklu de no said nam de try no odifo a oba obey
said nam de omo shase o ba we de omo so man she process as a cry.
You can still the law is state you can still go ahead. He knows it is also a bonia unless if you catch him say
absentia is
yes it's allowed when I'm kind it's allowed and this force to spare Ghanaians. Ghanaians are thinking about 24-hour economy. Ghanaians are thinking about 133. Ghanaians are thinking about women's bank. Ghanaians are thinking about the better human. That is what the ordinary Ghanaian are thinking about it. Agent of Oforiata say and an Bushian for and who said say MPP cannot campaign because of Oforiata? Hey, sir, Mahama Kwak came back to be president too. He was the God has. Let me explain. God has a nice way of doing things. The biggest defeat ever in the history of elections was Mahama. But God in his own wisdom, Samano, one of the biggest victory. And you don't even say that. See, I call Bianca. Want to me crying campaign, crank Mahama crying. But then Ghana for and Tronia that Mutugu on some Mobamba to and so cocoa farm for and for my and the boho cramun to be no. Just a stream coming to me for habitual and not a cocoa farmer almost 9 months you're able to pay cocoa farmers which you know now can Oforiata yes fano 18 months Ghana of 1 year side any BMO sana mobile and your friend say ora mo age quote news file let me that's my source your book says ora 21 cases so why need na garbage and this way is worse. Oma Musa Samebua, AG, respected Dr. Ine, lawyer Bako Wakwadu, was a case no be mere speculations and garbage. Yakasa garbage, you see, and would I bone, also garbage, and so on, send you see bone. So at the same time, I am not kind. It is for real tower. Mr. Ubetima trial for Riata, some also work on one. Mama, the 72 count of 7 1 SG, we mentioned them. The ordinary Ghanaian say, and extradition. Do you think Mama San can't show plane? I said make a sideway and so. Extradition law under the Act 1960 Act 22 Section 22, right? So person extradite you be one. Nipa na the neighbor no. And never way any one. Is it a political offense? And I say a political witch hunting. Yabere, you are no massacre to say the can is it lack of treaty or reciprocity Jena Tama Umbefa, your friend say, boy, allegedly, also is coming Abu Treka. Also, they wanted to be a reciprocity change. That's what but because of some of the clause, treating doesn't allow that. Almost trying to chrome her. There are so many and a double job in the rule of law. Nina say, so person extradite you be the first thing Nipan say, and also a minor or extraditing the film and say, Nipano is a political witch hunting, and I say, oh, yeah, political witch hunting. And I say, what shrine in the court of public opinion now. This is exactly what you guys did. Catch them, TV. So instead for you to go to the law court, no, now I'm now and Oforiata say, hey, sir, won't try. No, the law allows you to try him when he's not around. Do that quickly on something. I'm Tamaklu. Ghana for Nyankodao. Ghanaians are not kids. It's more NDC bloggers, baby, bear ye. You start to raise your norms of flight, airlines, one then the buy or buy not to reach him. Hey, and then your right to information bill. Minya, senior, community, voter region. Watch so many. I'm telling you, watch here and almost answer what you find a Ghana card. A way of preventing the ordinary Ghanaian to get information. Ghana some here said number about Muswaba or by a friend or prison band one number boy Abuga Pele Nikonsa Tachuchikata no dance. We know these people where they were. What for minus scale you are now poor minor chrono quatra broche juani a newspaper day. Oba catcher say what you are the ordinary Ghanaian Busa say send down Tamaklo prison band war 1 year about Nipamani and Famin Chuma they doesn't know where he says. I hear why not where you are minor chrono and now where you are minor yes see I didn't go to any prisons. What are you taking us? But see the ordinary Ghanaian and there's a minion some trouble for him, a minion no tofu. Yeah, from no fool say, and no fool say. Also, they are not talking about it. The ordinary Ghanaian, you expect to say, what shall I share? No. I don't know how so many so. Now, the amount to Hosa, the amount to man from Fremsa, that they did when it comes. Ghanaians will tell you, say, they know of MPP on the free SHB, they know of MPP are making sure so coverage time, or that light with for that Ghanaian free. They know of MPP are like they know to be 2 months. They know of MPP are, oh, Konam say MPP, you would me, MPP, one white friend, and other names, but yes, to MP Jank economy, no, 8 me chairs, teachers card, Jank economy, 8 me for Mabuka, mobile 24 hours, and I'm with the Danny Joe and the Musi. You go and meet the Ghanaians in December 2020.
Okay. Sometimes never be all
24 market.
Catch say 24. Let me see. I say no crowd. Why you let me see. I am presidential aid. I know just catch again. I do my MPP by 8 years. Not then. Me, I was head of department statistical department Metro Mass. And do you know what I do? I'm not saying but why you what I do? Don't compare me to someone. But say you've worked that you will be a drag down crowd for catch. I'm not saying you are not working. But at least our politics, the politics that no, but the politics that we do. Hold of your communicators who have been wretched in 8 years. They have not been wretched. They are far better than the people. What are they abandoned the political party? Because you overwhelming defeat. What is overwhelming? We won 6.4. And hold on, you lost by 6.2. Hold on. In Ashanti region. One unfounded commentary. Let me finish. What I'm saying is, very good intellectual statutory kata. It means you are not reading. Who said that? This is a publication. He was jailed. Relax. This is a publication by Dana Webb. Was in jail. 16 years ago, Statutory kata was wrongly convicted. It was jail. Recently, your sources. Let me recently. Ghana Bar Association. He was jail. He went to court and then he was. Who doesn't know Chachukata was there? Chachukata was. Listen. Was wrongly.
Yeah, it got to a point. No. They're pardoning him. And no, but press. Your microphone is off. Your microphone. The presidential pardon, Anana Kufuor or the money, and he refused.
Why? Because he was wrongly.
That was in the statement Kufuor said. It was presidential pardon.
He stood for himself, defended himself, and proved far beyond reasonable doubt that all the allegations leveled against him were false. Court accepted that he was right. Granted. And then he out of shame. He never wanted to use. He never wanted to use the way they said. Then let me take that.
0548931931. 0554931931. Line 1. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, Minia.
Yes, my boss.
Identity Gusua Junior Baumia.
Junior Baumia, Mammy Tiarope.
The Dasipi Manso Antokum de Shokonkra. Me chama chama usumemsa still maintain chama amencha santimani na kuka chama demo ko kwapia yomba dikim asante organizer and then you ko can say lawyer buzu chichu ebe commit can say police secretary region mo nko promotion pa na ema ase de nko ponse that's the na NDC for no ya na mentia si bi say to me ben and omunia omuti fan kofa influencer emaye what's my bonia be I want say edit no edit ko fo no mrai it be say edit pa to me and omunia ya omuma abofo be fa abeka say omfa no omunia say me fa ntim all because of say for the amount for abofo no wa wotu mai mu ase obi afọ bi obi afọ ayi wa ti abofo so me ma mechi no na de na wa so mai mu ha enyo utu mu se usika na yiwa kanifurata wadi na wotititi ene nam se wa isi mi wan so court ho enti mo de mo di na wa mo na mo de amalo na mo de asasa kwa na no na o ga na so se akwade dia ene dia ma mo no mi to ano o di asema mo kai pa se kanifurata kamu giti pa se wa bibia enti de se de se mo ye ekefe de mu ye kete kanifurata nya na se wa bibia o kwatine mai ka yewa ewa temekuru na mo se wabagana hano ana na epiclinica no oti hui ma de video be na ekire picture be na ekire Ghana for say enetie mo de mo no edu ba bia mo ka Ghana for yen kwada di mo
Meda se junior hello good morning
but you do yanko pa so green kamo
anka unso
e pe ko fi boate yanko pa somfo ana nya me adamfo ese so de ja na atuma kwa mo yo no bi nya mi di mouse ma me fa ko nya sira me tia professor Joshua Ladi we just am na ko tira fe honorable friend regional organizer the labor that time for the labor regional secretary na me come enim no communication team 90 na me na baso me come enim no no kwe wo mni say your friend say you are kinofoliata so onye mfum so na woni dream bia any omrai onu omrai said you preset your song what the woman and why you go for the ape what the woman nelso ne what for your citizen am obi my di so onu akasa no ade de me yemi tawo enti se wo ya onu awaye anaso wo se ya ma ni green card no hoyi say your friend say obeti matana wa so me yes no number 2 it is you ni funu e magana na se you preset your song and no na wo akasa no wo fa o ma president na de nko akufo do atwam ko e ka say omo mo e ka say tia ma mamu no o ma ni megu ya se mako me eti sa de wo ya si ni bua se mo awde ma fo including wofa eti so nya fo ne a woni diri mo a e wo Ghana so betina so as finance minister but Ghana ni edi wasem asle tetia na say abanu so bo
yes me da say hello good morning
ani ngwasio na ewu mu ne de e ba jo mi ameka say midiane nana bedide makope nana bedide no free asapo while police station achi
okay
na mesere o sinyo no bua o mo fra radio so ma so pa na ye be sese me no so a next month o mo ntoba no mi ba ba ko o bantima ye fe ne Kennedy Odlo do na fe no Lampard amanfom nti ye be sese me no so a o mo to no mo shene no nyam en sama ko so a ye ka ya o koka na o mo be du atam se eyenim guase no na so ampa se o ma ye chi ye ka se security a ayo mampanyi ne kita no en na yini so bi di bone na so ko kire obi man so a yenim die keke nim ne se o ma ni mu immigration ani for so immigration amano immigration mo tra se ya mo di akoko o ma nhye ne nipa ne di bone bi a ye timi atwene de na bagana na obegina fidie so be kase wakoche obi man so na mo free se mo ko security mo woni mdie mo wo lawyers na mo jiri se wo diska ana mo jimi ko twene ma mo an ka se temo koya o ye fo ma so siwe anyi ne ko twene de na bai e cho se na MPP woni mdie kyene mo ye nim lo chemu e di ye wura ma ja twi ma me de na bai enum se mo boni adwenboni se ni si fo ma na mo ye mo se nkofo bi di boni a mo jimi nkomo se mo nkiro mo ntia ye so se dubri a ye se temo koro wo se dubri anopa ni e tobe nkomo ne di ewia ni akana yamana betie anopa ni amani koko ana ma me ne di ye kana sika
Bedide se wa me da se hello good morning
Opani Kaze
yes my boss
ekomo ya de di wedu asonse
ekomo ya ma mi ti adope
ma me mo baso na me fa na me tia Professor Joshua Ladi Ghana Commercial Bank board chairman no na machia with Chama and Aquash baby will be a Professor Barton for only the bus secretary. Now machia with a fire as one because of the Chama. Chama and the Safari TNB. Opening a yakin for the account for will be said, said, we in the year and quality. Yes, someone search me with that and to say, was saying, Shas, your Bobra, oh, a month for Kuso, by me, you said, by senior baby. Yet the Kumuha, and never but for baby official. Oh, baby of official, and the finance minister to Kumuha. Shall be beat your oh, about that, then why you're full of yourself. Again, as you can forget that and what it is will be man's work upon with that. No, Kobokwana, this your money can't tell what my turquoise, Kumuni. I don't know Madonna for the tree as we and you sunset. Maybe I swear, shall was one event now we are all my name was on the feet. And then you also a gun. None of the mouth the bread with the film of that time I'm not gonna focus what you are showing in another new force when you throw, you go be up on what is. After the next year, and Canada also on the feet. I don't know idea and the gun of food. I see Bedi there on gas on your gun. Hello, good morning. Barbara, in the future. Now, events you autumn, if I course in so, may rap birthday cinema. Now, I'm not paying, sorry. Happy birthday to you, Amponsa Esther. May God fill your heart with peace, unspeakable joy, and years ahead with success. From Obed, Sompa FM, and all your siblings. Esther, your siblings loves you so much. They say you are special. And may God continue to bless you. May his countenance shine upon you. May you be successful in all your endeavors. Very beautiful. Queen Esther, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Starboy from Akye Links. Starboy, today is your birthday. Akye Links says happy birthday to you. Yame ensure don't talk with them. Starboy, Akye Links say nay yawa woday or ma awadapa. And happy glorious birthday to my princess and daughter, Miss Delphina. Wishing you joy, laughter, and all the blessings you deserve. Enjoy special day from your mommy, dearest Dickness, Gifty, Maiba, Ukman. And your mother loves you, miss. Oh, my say. Yami from Fran, Dumu qua dum no man qua ten. Wakuma swa dienina emrem. Miss Delphina, also your shunko. Tiene or bumpa ye yimpaye mase. Yamin chawashim. Or that note, yado baby, I say, wak. Abetina de nese emba. Ebeje gway. Na team ni nyina ababe som blasters details no way forward nyina o ma bodin beda no pe mba be sani mu kufu yes ani mu di amao your friend na Kwame Nkwantabisa amanfo nyina Nkwantabisa nie e ma ho wa e ma ho brasese na waje ye so nya somo Sompa is still the best and unadulterated radio station, your champion. No pay ye jinam gidi yes somo with all humility. Cause you're someone, you're Sompa. I'm off.